I am glad you can make it to the channel today. You are welcome. Today's topic centers on how to initiate, execute, and monetize an app. In this presentation, I will examine how you can create an app, mobile app, what to look for, and the steps you need to follow to achieve your goal. Essentially, the video is about how to develop an app idea, and my primary objective is to simplify the process. Welcome to the Investment Analysis YouTube channel. Grab a cup, of course, a cup of tea, and then subscribe. Perhaps you've always wanted to create an app for your business, or let's say your goal is to build a company of your own in the future and create an app for your product and services, and you do not have a clue on how to go about it. No worries. I will do my best and simplify the process for you. Okay, for clarity, please listen to this. A mobile application essentially is a type of application software designed to function on mobile devices like smartphones or tablets, and they are designed to deliver a high quality service to all users. And there are no limitations as to what type of app can be developed. App cut across several subjects like educational apps, social networking apps for single parents, smart investment apps, entertainment apps, game apps, etc., etc. To inform you, the idea I will share with you today covers some of the parameters you need as you initiate your vision or idea of creating a mobile app. Okay, let's say you are lying on your bed and the idea of mobile app struck you. And if you are like me, who always has my phone on my bed, I will grab my phone and press the little notepad button and quickly write the idea of starting an app. Perhaps, let's say you do not know how or what subject to cover. As at yet, it's okay. Just write down the vision first. Thereafter, let's say you now have an understanding of what type of app you want to create. Great! And okay, let's say for instance, you like to create a smart investment app. And let's assume you are in the UK. What you need to do first is check what your competitors, check them out. The likes of Plum, Free Trade, Bombard, etc. Check what they have to offer in terms of services and their shortcomings. Investigate or examine the SWOT analysis of this company. I'm talking about strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Thereafter, you should be able to identify your target audience. For instance, let's say your app covers stocks, bonds, ETF, index fund, Bitcoin, and cryptos. In my opinion, your target audience should be between the ages of 25 to 65 years old. B. Having carried out a SWOT analysis on some of the investment platforms in the UK, by now you should be able to identify their problem and make sure your app provides a solution to such identified weaknesses. How? Okay, let me give you a tip. To set your company apart as a reliable platform, most in the UK, make sure your customer can withdraw their money with ease. Let me emphasize that, with ease. And money will or should be in their account within 2 to 3 working days, just like Coinbase. C. Determine your app operating system. How? What do I mean? Okay, just stay on. I will break it down soon. And pay attention to this information. This is a key point. App is divided into 2 broad categories: native app and web app. Okay, what is the difference between native and web app? Good question. You see, a web application is an application program that is stored on a remote server and delivered over the internet through a browser interface. And then you see, native apps run essentially on or specifically on a single or particular operating system. It could be Android or iOS. And to function effectively, native apps are usually subjected to a quality assurance process before they are released. More so for better performance. Easy to navigate and user-friendly app. Okay, please listen to this key point. To make an app with native coding means that you will be creating independent output for each specific operating system, which will help deliver a refined interface for different devices. However, please listen again. You cannot download a mobile app designed for the Android operating system on iOS or vice versa. Hence, there is a limitation. Well, here's the key that could help you solve the puzzle. Listen to this. To achieve the cross-platform app, what you need is a hybrid solution. Please note, hybrid solution is also known as PWA, a progressive web app, and is essentially designed to allow a mobile app like Android to run on iOS, etc. However, there are pros and cons embedded in hybrid app. D. Determine your app format. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, stay with me. And again, this is very, very important and could save you a lot of money. Do you want a coded app or non-coded app? Okay, don't be confused. Let me explain further. You see, with no code, you can develop software or app without having to write any complex code. Perhaps you want to know how. Okay, you see, you can employ the use of visual tools where you select functional components and place them in a visual flow, meaning you can use a library with functions that you can use to develop the app. Therefore, you do not need any technical skills to be able to develop software. To know more about no code, please check my video titled Apps Software Developer versus Software Developer. Okay, you will see the clip at the end of this video. And for the no code app, one of the best reliable, easy to use platform is quote unquote Good Baba. E. Design a simple app. A user friendly, easy to navigate app. Thereafter, you've done that, don't roll out your app as at yet, but rather carry out what is called a mock app trial. This will enable you to hear feedback about any shortcoming and then fix it. Okay, listen to this. App design combine both. This is a tip. This is a useful tip, please. App design combine both UI, that is graphic element such as icon, colors, background, fonts, logos, and illustration, and UX, navigation, speed, loading functionalities, number of clip, responsiveness, waiting and response time, and any interaction options to offer the best mobile user experience in all conditions and situation. That's the tip. Hold on to that. And then you can monetize your app. I will cover how to monetize, how to make money from your app in another video. Moving on. How do you submit and publish your app in the store? Good question. Okay, let us examine both apps, App Store, and Google Play Store. You see, with Google Play Store, Android offers different choices to distribute mobile applications with over 1 billion active users. And after creating your app on Google Play console, you will need to register the information that will be displayed on Google Play. It includes mandatory information such as title, short description, full description, graphic asset, picture, app screenshot, category, contact details, privacy policy, etc., etc. Thereafter, once the store listing is completed, it's time to upload your apk.file. Listen, apk.file. The Android package kit contains all the elements of your app. Then follow the guide on the Google console to deploy and publish your app. Okay, now let's say your app format is progressive web app. No worries. Luckily, publishing a progressive web app is a lot simpler now. All you need to do is take care of the hosting of the app on the web server and link a web domain to it. And again, check out Good Baba for help. Okay, let me clear this. I'm not financially incentivized by Good Baba to do this video for them. However, for app device, you will be subscribing to the developer program for the App Store, costing say $99 per membership per year. Meanwhile, to inform you, the process of submitting an app to the App Store is slightly complex. Apple has set a high standard and strict guidelines to maintain the App Store. A safe ecosystem offering its users only high-quality apps. I will leave a link below on the requirement of app listing procedures. I hope you found the video useful. Please let me hear from you. And thanks for your support. Here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon. Thank you.